Is MavrikBeauty.com truly delivering a skincare breakthrough, or is it just another sketchy online store hiding behind flashy claims? In this video, we take a closer look at what's really going on behind Mavrik Beauty's promises of radiant skin using turmeric and kojic acid formulas, visible results in just a few weeks, and a tempting 30-day money-back guarantee. Sounds great on the surface, but dig a little deeper, and things start to look suspicious. First off, the domain was only registered in 2025. Which instantly raises eyebrows for a brand claiming to have proven skincare solutions. There's no About Us section or clear company ownership listed anywhere on the site, making it nearly impossible to know who's really behind these products. Then there are the supposed media mentions. They plaster logos of big-name outlets, but offer zero clickable sources or proof of any actual features, which is a classic sign of false credibility. It gets worse when you notice glowing reviews dated before the site even existed. How can people review a product they couldn't possibly have bought yet? That alone throws the authenticity of their testimonials into serious doubt. On top of that, Mavrik Beauty has no official social media presence, which is highly unusual for a brand in the beauty space where community engagement and influencer marketing are key. There's not even a single Trustpilot review, and no independent feedback from verified customers can be found anywhere online. I went through the entire website, analyzed every page, and reviewed all the claims, and while I didn't find direct evidence of fraud, the overall lack of transparency and the inconsistencies are major red flags. This review isn't here to fully discredit Mavrik Beauty or blindly endorse it, but to give you the full picture, because when a store makes big promises without offering solid proof, it's up to us to ask the right questions. So before you click buy now in hopes of perfect skin, make sure you know exactly what you're getting into.